Hello, today I'm going to show you how I remove watermarks out of wood. You can see that very faintly, but they're there. And prior to getting these watermarks, I had used a oil on this table, because that's what I do. I make a wood balm butter. So I'm taking mayonnaise, put it on a cloth, a little bit goes a long way, and rub it in. And then you have to buff it. Now, if it doesn't come out, then you know it's not a watermark. It's actually a hot mark from a hot cup or pan or whatever. Sometimes heat ruins the wood. And then you have to sand it and refurbish it. This is just a paper towel. Sometimes you need another application, depending how thick this polish was to begin with on the table. This one didn't come out. These two did. So that means the one that's remaining will need a second or third treatment. So I loaded up more mayonnaise on top, even though a lot of people say you don't need a lot. This is a very thick table. So we'll see and wait a few minutes. So I'm wiping off the mayonnaise now. It's been 10 minutes. Doesn't matter what kind of mayonnaise. It doesn't have to be regular or low fat or olive oil. So you can skip asking that question. The secret isn't the egg in the mayonnaise. It's the olive oil or the horrible soybean oil that they put in some mayonnaises. And that ring is still there. The other two rings are gone.